Hi, I'm Pedro Plasencia with Country Real Estate in California's beautiful Central Coast. Today we're in South Monterey County along Interlake Road for an aerial tour of this unimproved 20-acre parcel. Let's go have a look. This property is being sold by legal description only, meaning it has no legal deeded access. This is a very important consideration and it presents an intriguing opportunity at an approachable price. It could be a good fit for a neighboring property owner looking to expand their holdings, someone who's an experienced land buyer, or a patient long-term investor who's looking to hold acreage for future generations. The parcel consists of 20 acres of raw, unimproved land in the Lake San Antonio area of South Monterey County. It sits amid rolling, oak-dotted, and sage-covered country, and is surrounded by similarly sized rural properties with a larger ranch adjoining to the north. Zoning is permanent grazing, which is a rural agricultural zoning district. It allows a variety of uses when applicable county requirements are satisfied. Being it's completely unimproved, there's no well, no septic, no structures, and no utilities of any kind. The closest power is about 1.5 miles away. There is an existing unpaved road that appears to extend from Interlake Road toward the parcel, but no legal right to use that road has been confirmed. The roughly depicted boundaries are approximate. They're for general reference only, and they have not been surveyed or verified. Buyers must independently investigate whether legal access can be obtained, along with zoning, buildability, boundaries, and any potential uses of the property. If you'd like to learn more about this property and others like it on the Central Coast in San Luis Obispo County or South Monterey County, be sure to reach out to me. I'd love to help.